Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and today I'm going to show you how to grill prosciutto-wrapped shrimp skewers. Now I've started with there's about 30, I would say, 31 to 40 shrimp. These guys have the shell on, but they're zipped in the back, so they've been cleaned. And what I'm going to do is just remove the top part of the shell, leaving the tails on. Save those shells because you can use them to create a flavorful broth or stock in the future. Put that in a resealable plastic bag in your freezer next time you want to do that. Alright, now that I've cleaned these guys up, now I have raw ones, but you could always use cooked ones if you wanted to and just grill them up and get some nice grill marks on them while you're doing this recipe. Now these are raw and these guys are done now. So into a mixing bowl, I already have the juice of 1 lemon in this bowl, and I'm just going to let these guys sit for maybe 10-15 minutes in marinade while I'm just preparing my skewers. These guys are soaking in water to make sure they don't burn and get all yucky on the grill. You don't want that. Make sure you know how many you need. I'm going to do about 7 skewers tonight because I have 7 slices of prosciutto, and that will give us enough appetizers for tonight. This is just one course of our meal. We did escargot in a brandy cream sauce. We also did a beautiful ginger and lemongrass steamed mussels. They were awesome. So this is our 3rd course of the night. Appetizers on New Year's is all about the little tasty tidbits. So little bits here and there of different things is awesome. It keeps everyone engaged and entertained as well. A little bit of chili flake in here. I've freshly ground some black pepper, and that goes. This is going to be a really quick marinade. The citrus in this marinade will start to cook the seafood, and that's kind of how you do like a ceviche style dish if you wanted to do that with seafood or fish. But we don't want to do that. We want to cook it on the grill. We're just going to get some flavor infused here very quickly. So toss that through gently. A little bit of olive oil, that's about 2 tablespoons worth. Coat those guys up, sit them to the side. If you wanted to add some garlic, finely chopped garlic to this, that'd be great. Add 1 clove of garlic that's finely minced. Add that to it. Not everyone in our household likes garlic. Alright, we're ready to go here. I am preheating my grill on a very high heat, the highest heat I can. I'm using an indoor grill tonight. I was going to go outside and grill, but it is freezing rain tonight. Not cool. I'm not doing that. So we're going to use this great indoor grill, which is fantastic. Everyone asks me what this grill is. This is the GE Indoor Outdoor Grill, and it is a lifesaver. It's really fantastic, and it's non-stick. So awesome. I'm not mad at it ever. So our shrimp has been marinating. It smells fantastic. I'm sure it's infused with a lot of flavor now, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 1 piece at a time. Very gentle because it's very thin, right? And so flavorful. This is one that's aged at least 11 months. So thin, paper thin. And it's going to grill up really quickly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it in half lengthwise so it's a little bit more sturdy, and I'm going to weave it through the shrimp, okay? I'm going to use 4 to 5 shrimp per skewer because I've just counted them out that way. You're gonna have to count yours out. This stretches a little bit, but not a heck of a lot. So go ahead and get that skewered up on the bottom and feed your shrimp through the bottom of the tail, right above where the shell of the tail is, and then through the head of it and down. Then I'm going to weave my prosciutto over top. So keep everything near the top and work your way down. So I'll weave that over, add another shrimp, move it down, and weave that over top, okay? And just keep doing that. Organize it so that your skewer is done at the end of your prosciutto. Now open it back up a little bit. Your shrimp might have gone and collapsed some. So that's what you've got, is you've got prosciutto woven between those beautiful marinated shrimp. And set those to the side. Keep going. You'll see me when I'm ready to throw them on the grill. These guys look phenomenal. I ended up having a couple extra pieces of prosciutto I didn't see inside of my package. So here they are. They're gorgeous, right? So my grill is preheated. I can smell it's hot. I did spray it with a little cooking spray just to make sure things are copacetic. These won't take long. The prosciutto can be eaten as is, okay? So you're just putting that in there for some great flavor, although it is nice crispy. The shrimp just need to get colored, okay? As soon as they get pink and white, the white and pink color, then you're good to go. All is well. Get them on there on a nice hot grill. Sizzling. You want to try and keep those skewer ends off of the grill as best you can. Gorgeous. Couple minutes aside, that's all it's going to take. I love seafood because it cooks so quickly. So once you're getting some gorgeous color and some char on there, that's what you're looking for, turn them over. That simple. These are going to be beautiful little tidbits to pass around on a beautiful platter as people are mingling and having a good time, laughing and talking, and they're going to be some kind of delicious. The prosciutto, it cooks so nicely. It's nice and thin. If you could use bacon, but bacon is fatter, and bacon needs to be cooked. You can't have that flabby kind of non-charred bacon. And you run the risk of, in between the shrimp where it gets woven, it doesn't actually have direct contact with the grill. And in that way, it kind of stays kind of flabby, and it's just not right. This is perfect. A few more minutes, we're good to go. All right, once you get some gorgeous color, that's what you're looking for, the shrimp to be done and to get some nice char, you're done. Arrange them on the plate in a lovely way and serve to your guests who have patiently been waiting for you to be done. Stellar. What a beautiful platter to bring to everybody. That's pretty inviting to me. I'd have one of those, maybe 3. Make sure you serve with a little bit of lime or a little bit of lemon, and that's what you got going on. I'm not mad at that. Beautiful, perfectly grilled shrimp with prosciutto all woven through. Are you kidding me? Let me save this one here, and I'm gonna serve everybody else. Well, they seem to be a hit with everybody. Let me just go on and try one for you. Get your lemon on there. Woo. I think shrimp was created for skewers. First of all, pork goes with everything. A prosciutto with that little bit of saltiness and a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of smokiness. With the tender grilled shrimp. Beautifully marinated. Superb. It's just the perfect amount of pork in between the shrimp. If it was bacon, it might just be a little too much. Fantastic. So that's how you do it, folks. That's how you grill up prosciutto-wrapped shrimp skewers. You can do it too. Fast and easy, beautiful holiday, especially New Year's hors d'oeuvres, okay? Or a lovely course to, you know, pass out to everyone. That's it. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. Check out my instagram.com/webchef of all trades. You can find my shows online on youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly and come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Interact with us and subscribe. Let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.